In a few days, we will be bidding farewell to the year 2025. And what have you planned ahead 2026? What have you planned toward your business? What are you going to do to ensure that you triple your income in the next new year? What are your plans? Welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing it with you how you can increase your income, how you can triple your income in your business in the new years using this or implementing this strategy in your business. If this is your first time here, why not take a few seconds of your time to tap on that subscription button and then turn on the notification, then like the video and share, because what you are about to hear from me, it's going to help you, it's going to help your career. So sit up right now and listen and watch, listen and pay attention to this video. Are you a business owner? You are a POS agent. Yes, you might be a POS agent, or you sell food stuff. Let me tell you this: you need to add something to that business. You need something to increase your income in that business, regardless of the kind of business it is. You need another source of income, which is data reselling business. Look here, this is how much I made last month in data reselling business, and if I can, you too, you can. So how do you start this data reselling business? There is this particular platform where I buy my data at a very cheaper price and I sell to people both online and offline. Guess how I did it? Yes, I have a lot of customer people that are closer to me offline and people that patronizes me offline. I sell to them. I advertise my business to them, my new business, which is data reselling. I advertise to them, and I also make use of social media to promote this business, and it gave me that a month. They say, so if I can, you too, you can. So how do you get started with this business to triple your income? Mind you, your income in this business might exceed your previous income or your current income before you start. You are just about to start this business now, so it might possibly supersede your current income. So what platform am I about to reveal to you? It is no other but vtunet.com.ng. Yes, the name of the platform is VTUnet. As you can see here, VTUnet. You can search it on Google. You can search it on your browser and you will see it. Just go directly to Google and search for vtunet.com.ng. just as you can see here. This is it. Just tap it when you locate it. Tap it and register. I'm going to walk you through the step right now. So using this platform, you can sell Glow data, you can sell MTN, you can sell Airtel, you can sell Nine Mobile, you can sell recharge card. Even if you are a recharge card vendor, this is the platform that most of recharge card vendors they use. Yes, you can print recharge cards seamlessly, yes, on this platform. So this platform is for you. You shouldn't miss it if you want to increase your income in the new year. So I'm going to be heading over to the platform right now. So just sit up and watch. So just like what I told you earlier, I'm going to be using my Google Chrome browser. So I'm going to be searching for VTUnet. As you can see, VTUnet. It is actually vtunet.com.ng. So when you see it, search for it, tap it. So you can see this is the website, VTUnet. As you can see here, you can tap on the link. So please note that when you get to this page, you will be prompted to install the app. It is not showing here right now.
The reason is that it's not because of anything, but because I already have the app on my smartphone, so it is not going to show again. But on your smartphone, since it is your first time, you will be asked to install the app. Kindly tap on it and install it before you proceed with the signing up. So I'm going to be tapping on sign up here. So provide your email address, provide your old details, and when you get to the referrals page here, you can use my name, ayoife121. This is my username. If only you want me to earn from this platform, then you can use my username. So then provide your password, provide your entire detail. In your password, make sure that it is at least 8 characters. You can see a minimum of 8 characters. Then once you sign up, you will be automatically signed in. So I want to sign in right now. So I have successfully signed into my account. As you can see, these are my previous transactions. So to buy data, if you want to sell data to someone, then you first of all have to fund your wallet. You can fund your wallet using your dedicated bank account. Look at what you have here. This is my name, Olani Ifeoluwa, and you can see this is the account number on it. This is my account number. Any amount I transferred into this account number, Paga account number, it will reflect at the top here. You see, I currently have 217 Naira in my account. So if I want to buy data, then I just have to tap on buy data. So let's say I want to buy MTN data. So I will tap it, then choose plan, then look at what we have here, 500 MB, 400 Naira for 7 days plan. But that is not really good. But look at 1 gig, 7 days plan is 590 Naira. And this same data plan, do you know how much they sell it? This same data plan, they sell it 900 Naira. Yes, you heard me right. They sell this plan 700 Naira to final user. If you are selling this plan to final user, you can sell 900 Naira. You might decide to sell at 800 Naira. Just sell in a way that it's going to profit you. You can earn just on one sale. You can earn 200 Naira or more on just one sale. Isn't that good? Yes, it is. Look at 1 gig for 30 days plan. You can sell that one for 30. You can sell that one at 900 Naira or even 1000 Naira, depending on you, depending on how much income you want to get from it. So the amount you're going to sell, it all depend on you, as long as you are selling higher than the amount you have here. 1 gig 660 Naira, and but the one that sell most, I won't lie to you, the one that I sell most is that 1 gig 590 Naira, and I sell it 900 Naira, 800 Naira, depending on the person I'm selling to, or depending on you. So it all depends on you. But if you are selling to POS agents, you know that this person is a POS agent, then you are going to sell that plan, the one of 30 days plan, for the person, because you know POS agents, they always want data that can take them for a whole month. So you shouldn't make mistake by selling that of 590. Just choose that 660 Naira plan for them and sell to them, and sell at 900 Naira or 1000 Naira. Let's go for another plan. I'm just using that one for example. You can feel free to explore when you get to the site. Patiently explore it by yourself. So we have another one here as well. We have Airtel here. Look at what we have here. We have Airtel. Look at Airtel 600 MB 2 days plan. I sell this particular one, I sell it 350. This is 100 MB today's plan. I sell 350, and I have another one here. Gifting. We have gifting here. This gifting 3 days plan, you can sell 700 naira or 550. And we have Glow. Yes, Glow is Glow is cheaper than MTN. Look at it here. Just take a look at it. 1 gig 3 days plan, 291 naira only. And 7 days plan, that is 340, and 30 days plan 427 naira. So this particular one, this 1 gig 3 days plan, I sell at 500 naira. At the same time, this one of 340, I sell 500. Likewise, that of 1 gig 30 days plan, I sell 500. I sell at 500 naira or more. It all depends on you. But MTN is actually the one that sell most, and the one of 7 days plan, this particular one is the one that sell most. So you can feel free to choose any of them. Just fund your wallet, just copy your account, tap on that, and they copy your account, make transfer into it, and automatically the money will reflect here. Start selling your data, and you will see how well your income will grow just within 1 month. Just give this particular platform, VTUnet, give it a try, and come back later to see. Maybe you will thank me later, or you will abuse me later. I believe you've learned 1 or 2 things in this video. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share it to others. See you in my next video. Bye bye.